Okay, this afternoon's project is replacing the door seal, which has probably been on here since 1986 when the place was built. That's the old bottom garage door seal, keeps the snow and the water and everything from coming out. So it's pretty brittle. You can see it doesn't have much life left in it. So it goes in this channel and it slides out. So I'm about to slide this out. And then here's the new, from Amazon, the new channel goes on the bottom. And this thing will go in both of these grooves. It slides in from the end like this. And you have to get the correct size channel. They make different widths and different T sizes, because that little T slot there has to go in slot A into slot B, and it's got to fit. So if this is too wide or too narrow, it's not going to work real well. Anywho, the old garage door seals didn't have this kind of a neat idea. They now put a tubular cushion in the bottom. So when you slide this deal in here like this, when it hits the bottom of the garage door, like this, wait, I'll do the sound effect. Pretty good, huh? No extra charge for that. Just give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. And no, I really don't care. I hope you're just enjoying the video and you're learning something. So that's going to go on there. This was $36 for this. So what you normally do is you try to snake this out of here like this. Well, this thing is attached to the garage door, and I was like, I don't think so. So there's a bunch of sheet metal screws in here. So I've got some self-tapping ones that I'll put back in, put it back, and there's a couple more that run along the bottom here. Not very far apart. I mean, not very close, like, I don't know, 20 inches or so. So that's that. You can see this thing has no more oofta left in it. Nothing left there. So it's coming out with the old, in with the new. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you later.